Hello and welcome everyone. Let's prepare this kind of 3D animation in PowerPoint. You can download this PPT for free by using a password which is displayed in between the PPT. Take a blank slide, insert a rounded rectangle, hold the orange button to make it less rounded. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Right click, go to Format Shape, select Shadow Presets and choose Offset Bottom Right. Change the size to 105%, blur 50 points and distance 50 points. Go to reflection, choose tight reflection, change the size to 90% and blur 10 points. Go to 3D rotation, adjust the size of X rotation to 50°, Y rotation 330° and Z rotation 300°. Next, go to 3D format and change the size of the depth to 12 points. Now our 3D block is ready. You can adjust the size of the block accordingly. Zoom out the slide and duplicate the block 5 times and arrange in this manner. Select all the shapes, duplicate using Ctrl D and keep it below as shown here. There are 10 pictures saved in the slide which I have previously downloaded. So these pictures will be used in the 3D block. So first copy one picture using Ctrl C. Go to Format Picture, select the first block, choose Picture Fill and keep the cursor on the clipboard. You will find the picture on the 3D block. Now copy the second picture, select the second block, go to Picture Fill and click on the clipboard. In the similar way, fill the remaining blocks with the picture using the same method. Select the first 5 blocks together by holding the Ctrl key and press Ctrl G to group. Then select the second half block and group them. Finally, we will give animations. So click on the first half block, go to Animation, Add Animation, select Line from Motion Path, place the cursor on the red button, drag it downwards, start with Previous. Set the duration to 8 seconds. Now go to Animation pane, click on down arrow, choose Effect options and set the Smooth Start and Smooth End to 0 seconds. Take the Auto Reverse option. Next, click on the second half block, go to Add Animation and select Line from Motion Path. This time, drag the cursor upward. Start with Previous and set the duration to 8 seconds. Go to Effect option and set the Smooth Start and Smooth End to 0 seconds. Click on the Auto Reverse option. Add title and subtitle on the left side of the slide. Go to Animation, choose Float in Animation for the title and Wipe Animation for subtitle. Start after Previous. Click on the slideshow to see the results. You can see how flawlessly these 3D blocks are moving. Do share this video ahead. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.